In the overview tutorial, we mentioned 3 connection types that need to be made via a connection agent, a small piece of software normally installed on your servers that will act as a bridge between the PerfectForms and your data source servers. Those 3 connection types are database, directory service and text file connections. During this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to configure a database connection, but the same method is also used for text file connections too. To start with, we need to be in the Connections dashboard. Simply click on the New button and select the Database or Text File option. We should create a name that makes it easy to identify this connection. You will need to know the URL for where the connection agent is installed and the user ID password combination that has been assigned. Enter these details into the fields provided. The URL, user ID and password shown here are the ones used for the PerfectForms public demo database. Feel free to use these to try this out for yourself. The password is the same as the user ID shown. The default timeout period of 60 seconds will normally be okay, but can be changed if necessary for this connection. If this connection uses Secure Sockets Layer or SSL security protocol, check the box available. Once the configuration is completed, click the Check button to check the connection. The data sources and database list will show all that are available in the connection agent configuration tables. That's outside the scope of this tutorial, but you can select the one that you want from the drop-down lists. That's the connection set up. All that remains is to click the Apply Changes button to save the connection details.